now we are going to see the third section. Now in this section we have some paragraph type of questions. That is, this section contains two paragraphs. Based upon one of paragraphs, two multiple choice questions, and based on the other paragraph, three multiple choice questions have to be answered. Each of these questions has four choices A, B, C and D, out of which only one is correct. Now we have the paragraph for question numbers 12 to 13. So let us go through the paragraph first. Let U1 and U2 be two urns such that U1 contains 3 white and 2 red balls, and U2 contains only 1 white ball. A fair coin is tossed. If head appears, then one ball is drawn at random from U1 and put into U2. However, if tail appears, then 2 balls are drawn at random from U1 and put into U2. Now one ball is drawn at random from U2. So this is what the paragraph. Here listen carefully. In the U1 we have 3 white and 2 red balls, and in U2 we have only 1 white ball. And a fair coin is tossed. Suppose head appears, then one ball is drawn from U1 and put into U2. Suppose tail appears, then 2 balls are drawn from U1 and put into U2. And now one ball is drawn at random from U2. So this is what the paragraph. Now the question is, the probability of the drawn ball from U2 being white is. So here listen, the total number of balls in U1 is equal to what? Here in U1 we have 3 white balls and 2 red balls, isn't it? So this means what? This means totally we have 5 balls in U1. And now in U2 we have only 1 white ball, isn't it? So now what we are going to find is, we are going to find the probability of drawing a white ball in U1. So probability of drawing white ball from U1 will be equal to what? Here the total number of balls in U1 is 5. So and also we have 3 white balls. So hence probability of drawing white from U1 will be equal to 3 by 5. And similarly probability of drawing red from U1 will be equal to what? And this will be equal to 2 by 5. And what will be the probability of drawing white from U2? Then this will be equal to 1 by 1, which is 1, because in the U2 we have only 1 white ball. So therefore probability of drawing white ball from U2 will be equal to the number of white balls divided by the total number of balls, hence we get 1. And similarly we know the probability of drawing red from U2 will be equal to what? It will be equal to 0, because we don't have red balls in the U2. So now by using this only we are going to find the required answer. Here we already know that if head appears, one ball is drawn from U1 and we have to transfer it to U2. And similarly we know that if tail appears, 2 balls are drawn from U1 and it's been transferred to U2. And now we know that we have only 1 ball drawn from U2. So let us take this E be the event of drawing 1 ball from U2. Now what we have to do? We have to find the probability of drawing white from U2. So now by using this only we are going to get the required answer. So now this probability will be equal to. So first what we are going to do is, we are going to take this first case, that is when head appears. So when head appears, we have to draw 1 ball from U1 and we have to put it into U2. So then we get the number of balls in U2 will be equal to what? 2. So from that 2 balls only we have to take only 1 ball. So therefore let us take 1 by 2. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to take the first case, that is drawing the white ball. So here we know that in U1 we will be having 3 white and 2 red. And also in U2 now we have only 1 ball, and also if we put 1 more ball then we will be having 1 plus 1, 2 balls. So here this 1 by 2 into 3 by 5 into 1 plus 2 by 5 into 1 by 2 will be the probability in the case of